তার স্টাইলের মধ্যে, তার ভাবভঙ্গির মধ্যে আমরা বেঁচে থাকি বা আমরা অনুরণন করি। কখনো কখনো ভাবি যে তার সন্তানদের দেখে যে ইস, একেবারে ওই মানুষটির ছায়া রয়েছে। 92.7 Big FM এ কিংবদন্তি।
This is the volume knob and this is the frequency knob. As you can see, as I move the frequency knob, the slider on the radio moves and it indicates the frequency the tuner is on. And with the volume knob, I change the volume. This is how the inside of a radio looks like. Under the PCB board, you can see a mechanism for turning the frequency dial. In this demonstration, I'll try to open the PCB module and show you how the frequency turning works. So here you can see the wheel. A wire is wound around the wheel which is directly connected to the frequency turning knob. This wheel rotates on turning the frequency turning knob and it in turn rotates the shaft that is present on the PCB board. This shaft rotates a soft iron core which goes inside or outside of a solenoid, and hence the inductance of the solenoid increases or decreases depending on the part of the soft iron core that is inside it, and hence the frequency changes. This is the soft iron core that I was going to show you, and here is the switch that is used for controlling the mode of the radio. As you can see, this is the soft iron core that goes inside or outside the solenoid, and hence it changes the permittivity value inside the solenoid and hence changes the inductance of the solenoid. Here you can see a microprocessor called an IC or an integrated circuit. The PCB board also consists of several other elements such as a capacitor. These are small capacitors, circular plate, and these big ones are the cylindrical capacitors. These are the ones that I'm showing here, and also there are resistors and inductors. As you can see, inductors are visible from the coils that are present in the PCB board, and the resistors are the small 2-pin devices, bilateral devices that are connected. Here you can see, I'm not sure if it's completely legible, but the resistors are color coded, so we know their values if we know the color code chart. And this is basically the PCB circuit working. This is the transformer of the radio. Here you can see the transformer has a primary coil in which the input power is connected and a secondary coil through which the output power leads towards the speakers. Here you can see the speakers and also the PCB board. These are the wires that are connected on the PCB board and lead towards the antenna. Here you can see those wires. This device is a digital volume controller. As you can see, there are 4 wires, 3 for the audio input output and the stereo cables, and another one is for the power cable. Here you can see it is present under the PCB board and it helps in volume controlling through the dial. And the power cable also leads towards the battery. Here is the AC power supply. Since the radio can be powered by a battery as well as an AC source, so we can connect it into a plug and power it. As this is the part in which the plug goes, and you can see the 2 wires coming out from the plug into the transformer and through the transformer to the battery and then to the PCB board, to the audio amplifier, digital volume controller, and the speakers, and it powers all 3 of them.
बार कौन मिसेस शर्मा वर्मा अय्यर दुबे पाटिल रॉय पटेल पांडे सब जीतेंगी और ग्रोफर्स जियो।
Download the Grofers app now.
आपके शहर में गुणवत्ता युक्त जेनेरिक दवाइयों के लिए खोले दवा इंडिया फार्मेसी स्टोर। फ्रेंचाइज के लिए कॉल 8471009000।